Om Shanti. Today is 11th August 2024 and we shall listen to the Avyakt versions of Avyakt Bapdada. The original date is 4 February 2001. The heading of today's Murli is According to the Time, Become a Self-Sovereign and Use all your spiritual facilities at a fast speed. Today, Bapdada is seeing a gathering of his self-sovereign children all over the world. Each one is seen as one who has a right to self-sovereignty, one who is wearing a crown to the light of purity, one who has applied a tilak of the awareness of having all rights and is seated on his immortal throne in the center of his forehead. To the extent that you experience having all rights of self-sovereignty at this time, accordingly, you will claim all rights to the sovereignty of the world in the future. Who am I? And what is my future? With your stage of self-sovereignty at this time, each of you can see this for yourself. Bapdada was seeing the constant stage of self-sovereignty of each child. As you perform each action, as you perform a Lokik or a Lokik task, for how long and to what percentage do you constantly experience the intoxication of being one who has all rights to self-sovereignty? Many children remain aware of their self-sovereignty in their thoughts. I am a soul who has all rights. One thing is to have this in your thoughts, to refresh your awareness again and again. I am this. The other is to experience yourself in the form of having all rights and to rule over your senses, your workers, your mind, intellect and sanskars, your cooperative companions, and have the authority to make them work. It is just as if all of you children experience at every moment that Bapdada is making you move along according to Srimad, and so all of you do move along according to Srimad. The one who makes everyone move is making you move, and you who move are moving along. O self-sovereign souls are your senses, that is your workers, your minds, intellects and sanskars, your cooperative companions working under your orders in this way. Are they working under your orders? All of them? One or two of the senses are not showing any mischievous games, are they? Is your kingdom functioning accurately with love and law? Instead of love and order, is it functioning accurately with love and law? Is it functioning well? What do you think? Is it functioning well? Or are there sometimes some arguments? Since you say, my hand, my sanskars, my intellect, my mind, do you therefore have all rights over that which is yours? Or is it that sometimes that which is yours has a right over you, and sometimes you have a right over that which is yours? O self-sovereign souls, according to the time, now constantly and easily be seated on your immortal thrones. Only then can you enable other souls to receive the right to liberation in life or liberation from the Father quickly. Acha, blessing, may you consider yourself to be an instrument and remain free from waste thoughts or a wasteful attitude and become a world benefactor. I am an instrument for the task of performing world benefit. Remain aware of this responsibility and you will never have any waste thoughts or a wasteful attitude for yourself or others. Responsible souls cannot have a single thought that is not beneficial. They cannot have a wasteful attitude for even a second, because the atmosphere is created with their attitude and they therefore automatically have good wishes and pure feelings for everyone. Slogan: the power of ignorance is anger and the power of knowledge is peace. Om Shanti.